on our way to Natividad, Pangasinan.
Hi guys! We are going to show you one of the most visited towns here in Pangasinan, Philippines. Every province have their beautiful and relaxing places where people from all over the world can explore. Ate says there is more fun in the Philippines. We are here now in the town of Natividad, Pangasinan, not far from the most Marian pilgrimage site, Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary of Manaoag. Join us in exploring the amazing Maranum Falls, where together we will enjoy the refreshing water falling all the way from the mountain.
We will explore Sky Plaza, feel the atmosphere of prayer and solitude.
As a student of Colegio de San Juan de Letras Manaoag is to bring awareness of how wonderful God is.
His creatures praises Him. Therefore, we too praise God for His goodness and love to us.
Nature is indeed God's gift. And visiting the SunFlower camp is starting.
Nandito na tayo sa Maranum Falls.
We are here now at Maranum Falls. What tourists doesn't know is that there are certain captivating view hidden on Calabaro range of mountain located in Natividad called Maranum Falls. Also sometimes referred to as Bachelor Falls, being instituted of Barangay Bachelor East Municipal Natividad. The journey to Maranum Falls begins where paved roads end.
The mini attraction pa in the largely unexplored Carabalo Mountain. This game requires from each visitor some sense of adventure as the 20-minute trek to the falls.
Short as it may be, it's without shared company. Passing sceneries of mountains flanked by towering trees is indeed distractingly beautiful. However, some narrow section of the trail demand full attention.
The enemy's step could lead to a painful slide down step slope and to the river below. The hike is most intense at the final approach. Just as Maranum Falls comes into view, boulders of all sizes themselves as mighty obstacles for the last hurdle.
Let the wind crumble and do some lumps. An effort and that encounter too much is means spilling water. The virtuous is the stream. It is waterfalls called refreshing waters and strength is knowledge. Power of love.
Join us here in Sky Plaza. Sky Plaza is built on the hillside facing the majestic Carabalo Mountains. Sky Plaza is a public park and view deck where visitors can enjoy sweeping scenes of Natividad and its neighboring town.
Guys, tignan nyo yung view guys. So, tignan nyo yung view guys. Wow! Ang ganda na view guys!
It is a popular hangout spot with adequate facilities. Picnic tables, paid toilets, a small self-service store, a chapel, even a 120-meter zip line attraction.
It's likewise the jump-off point to the short but challenging trek up Ayat ni Hapo Jesus, a pilgrimage site featuring a Christ the Redeemer statue standing on the top of a hill. One cannot help but feel blessed when standing beneath the feet of Ayat ni Hapo Jesus.
A 40-foot tall statue of Jesus Christ, perched on a hilltop that overlooks the low-lying plains of eastern Pangasinan.
It's a replica of Brazil's iconic Christ the Redeemer.
whose outstretched arm give context to this landmark's local name, which literally translates to God's love.
Access from Natividad Plaza is by Plaza Day. Visitors must climb concrete stairway and hike an winding dirt hill to reach pilgrimage site. On the way to the summit, there are two other attractions: a grotto of the Virgin Mary and the 30-foot Holy Cross.
Hi guys, papunta na po kami sa Sunflower Garden. Pagod na po silang lahat kasi po umakyat po kami ng 1 million step na hagdan. Yo! Mag-gay kayo dyan guys, mag-gay kayo! Woo! Mag-ingay!
Now we will bring you to the SunFlower Camp. So we are here in the SunFlower Camp. Alright. Let's make our summer more vibrant.
Thousands of sunflowers are now in full bloom and ready to brighten up our days.
There are also different kinds of vegetables inside the camp, though most of them are still seedlings. There are nipa huts inside the camp where we can rest.